Hey folks, John Luke here with Circuit Board Medics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a control board from a washing machine. This control board can be found in Maytag, Whirlpool, Amana, and Kenmore. Before working on your washing machine, remember to unplug the power. So the control board that we're going to be accessing is right here behind this panel. Some of the symptoms you may be experiencing for why you might send this control board in are the washer won't start, it won't drain, fill, or spin, or you might be experiencing one of these error codes, F1E2, F7E1, F7E6, or F3E1. This control board can be found in a variety of models. Regardless of your setup at home, the step-by-step process to remove it should be similar if not the same. And we'll start by removing these 4 screws here. Once you have removed these 4 screws, you should be able to remove these 2 panels, like so. Before removing the control board, make sure to snap a picture with your phone or your camera to refer to it when you need to reinstall it. We're going to start by removing these 4 plugs that are easy to access. After removing those 4 plugs, you should see 2 mounting bracket screws. Remove those next. So the next step of the process is to remove this panel here from the base of the machine. You're going to do that by grabbing a pair of pliers, and on each inner corner there is a retention clip. I'm going to come in here with the pliers. Once you've got a grip on the clip, squeeze it together and rock the base up. Now do the same thing on the other end. Now remove the panel from the base of the machine. After you've freed up the panel, let's remove the remaining plugs. Make sure to remove the main setting knob off the front of the panel. Now that you have access to your main control board, you're ready to ship this in to us for repair. If you need help diagnosing any other issues, feel free to give us a call at 800-547-2049 or visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com. We look forward to getting your washer back up in working order.